Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I managed to keep my fridge fresh for a month, because I clean my fridge once in a month. So in this video I'm going to show you what I use to keep my fridge fresh for so long, and also I'm going to show you what I use, what soap I use, how I mix my water, and how I clean it, and what I use to preserve the freshness of my fridge. Plus also I'm going to show you guys how I managed to keep my leftover food for so long in the fridge. So guys, stay tuned to find out how I do it. As you guys can see, my fridge is so dirty. This is this is a vaccine. So my fridge is so dirty, guys. Just look on all these leftovers. This is the end of my fridge. My fridge is so small, and this is my freezer, guys. Just look. Yeah, and the door, look how dirty this is. So what I'm going to do, these are kales that tulichuna kutoka kwa shamba. They were so fresh. So what I'm going to do is to just remove everything from this fridge, and then we start. So this is just plain water. I'm first going to start by rinsing off, not rinsing, but clearly just wiping off with clean water, pure clean water, nothing, no additives. So guys, this is my fridge. You can see how dirty. This is so embarrassing. This fridge is so dirty. So this is how it looks before we start cleaning, and this is my freezer. So let's start. So guys, after that is done, we are going to put plain water again with a bit of just a small quantity. Remember not to put too much of it, just a small quantity of liquid soap. This is the soap that is naturally, not that is locally made. It's scent free, it has no scent. That is the water. So yeah, it's scent free, very scent free. So don't be worried about your food smelling soapy. So when everything is done, I know this is what you all have been waiting for. So you cut your lemon into 2 halves, and you place it right at the door of your fridge. So this is going to maintain your fridge, and it's going to keep your fridge fresh for so long. Yes, and make sure your fridge is on immediately. So let it run for like 30 minutes before you return your leftovers inside the fridge. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let my fridge on for 30 minutes and then return all my leftovers in the fridge, and it's going to stay for so long and fresh. So that's the end of this video. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, please share with your friends, and see you on the next one. Bye guys.